Hello my beautiful darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today and thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about feminine reset, how to reset yourself and routines that you can implement to feel feminine this fall. How to make fall and winter and this gloomy weather fun. How to make it fun. I personally love the summer, but then when it comes to the winter and everything, it's just less feminine than the summer. Let's be honest. In the summer we're wearing dresses, we feel good, there's flowers, there's the sunshine, but then what to do when it's gloomy and raining and just like cold? What do we do to make it fun? What are the routines that you can implement to make your life more feminine in fall? If you want to know more, keep on watching. But first, just wanted to let you know that if you want to see more of my content, I talk about fashion, femininity, old Hollywood glamour, seduction, dating, and anything to make you become super feminine and upgrade your confidence. Feel free to join the channel, the link is down below, and also follow me on my Instagram. So I have a cup of tea right here. Look at this. This is like Beauty and Beast, a cup of tea. It's just so cute. I had it on Amazon in case you were gonna ask how to make your time feminine during fall. I'm gonna start by talking about fall outfits. You can really have things that look really feminine, that make you feel really good, even if the weather is starting to be a little bit colder. So you can invest in cute pajamas, where even when you're at home, even when you go to sleep, you feel feminine, you feel cute, you get ready, you have your little robe, your pink robe, your red robe. You can have silk, you can have velvet. I love velvet in the winter also, as you know. I just love this fabric. And you can also invest in comfy loungewear, but it's also amazing when you can mix comfort with beauty, where it looks good and you feel good, but it's still comfy. I love the type of loungewear that are either like velvet like that, so it's super soft on the skin, or you can have loungewear that are also a little bit fluffy. You know, the type of fluffy loungewear that feels so good, and you touch it and you feel like you are under a blanket. This is like the best feeling, especially for the winter. In terms of actual feminine outfits for fall, for me, I love the 1950s in the summer, the type of style in the summer, because you have the flowy dresses, the cute dresses, the bombshell dresses, the femme fatale dresses. But then in the winter, I just love also the 50s, obviously, but I also love the 60s look with the little skirt and the go-go boots and the fun coats. And so in fall, you can implement a little bit of a skirt with boots. Depending on the weather, maybe you need tights or you don't need tights. But implementing that 1960s fun vibe in the fall, it's going to make you feel joyful. It's going to make fall super fun. And in the winter, you can then implement cashmere sweater and warmer clothes, and even like things that are underneath your clothes that can make you warm. In fall, you can also implement knitted tops. Knitted tops are so much better than just a t-shirt because you feel comfortable, but at the same time, you look very elegant. You look polished. Something that really is comfortable, but that is going to make you look always elegant and always feminine and cute, it is knitwear. So even a dress that is a knitted dress, but even without sleeves, that you can wear in fall or spring or even summer if it's not too hot, is going to be super comfortable, but also super cute and super elegant. And then you can have also knitted dresses that have sleeves that cover a lot more in the winter, and dresses, cashmere dresses and wool and things that are thicker in terms of material. You can still have clothes that are really good quality and that really look good, that are made of polyester, don't get me wrong. But in the winter, if you really want to feel warm, then cashmere and wool is the best. And also velvet. As you can see, I'm wearing a velvet dress, and I think this is just the cutest thing because it looks so glamour. It looks so old Hollywood. It looks so feminine and luxurious, but at the same time, you feel so comfortable. You feel like an old Hollywood actress. Then in the winter, you can also add layers and wear different layers, and wear also things that are going to be warm underneath your clothes. If you want to wear, for example, a tight dress, but you're afraid of the winter being super cold, then you can invest in things that are going to be warm underneath. You can also have cute cozy socks for when you're at home and you want to watch a movie, and you can add fun with all your outfits. You can add femininity just with the colors, just with the fabrics. Like if it's pink, if it's white, if it's pastel, if it's like bright colors, yellow, red, it's going to really brighten your day way more than just wearing black all the time, okay? And you can add frills, you can add some accessories, some pearls, like you can add a necklace, you can add anything you want to make it even more fun and even more feminine and even more glamour. Next, I think something that is essential for fall and even for winter is a nice tea set. I mean, look at this. I just love watching a movie or feeling good in my house, even when I'm working, just having this beautiful tea set. And you feel like you are in a beautiful hotel, in a beautiful expensive place, but you're actually at home. And you serve yourself some luxury. Fall is really the season for tea and coffee and coziness and feeling warm inside. So I feel like it's the best feeling. I think it's a beautiful investment and it's going to last you a very long time. Next advice, declutter your closet and living space. I think fall is the perfect time to declutter your closet and feel good and refresh, and start fresh, start new with new things that are going to make you feel better. You have obviously, like I have a huge closet and I know I need to declutter it and I need to make some space for new things that I want to buy. And honestly, I should do it more often because I have so many things. To have a clean and polished environment, it really affects your mental health, it really affects your mood, it really affects how you feel. And not having too many things, and especially if you have things that you don't wear anymore in your closet, it's really taking space for nothing. At the same time, I think this is like, as a collector, I have a collection of dresses. This is how I justify it. If you're the same, comment down below if you are the same, and if you have a collection of something that you really love, rather than shoes, dresses, bags, or anything else, even jewelry. I think I'm a big collector.
The point about this scarf is that it would become part of a definition of your psyche. You'd wear it with everything.
It would be an investment.
You would walk into that Alette interview confident and poised.
But still, even if I'm a collector, there's certain things that I really need to declutter for sure. Next, we have decor your home. And I love the aspect, what I love the most about autumn and winter is also all the holidays that are going to come. All the festivities and all the decor that are going to be so beautiful. We're going to have Halloween coming very soon. And if you can guess which costume I'm going to be for Halloween, leave a comment down below. We're going to have Christmas. Like, you want to feel like festive, you want to feel good. And so redecoring your place is going to make you feel like start new, start fresh. When it's fall and winter, we spend so much time inside that it's important to have a beautiful living space and to have a decor that you really love. Find some new little things. It doesn't have to be about redecorating your whole space, but it can just be adding some new pillows. I bought a fireplace last year and it's just the best feeling, like those fake fireplace, and it just makes you feel so cozy. When I was younger, we had a big house and a big fireplace, so I just love fireplaces. It just makes you feel a certain way. It just makes you feel cozy. It makes you feel like warm when you watch a movie. It's a certain feeling, right? Candles, flowers on the table when you're eating, when you're having dinner, new plates, new silverware. Anything that really impacts a lot your environment and your everyday life is going to make you feel better. Decor doesn't have to be so expensive, by the way. You will feel like you are such in a luxurious environment without having to go anywhere, without having necessarily to go on vacation. And we're gonna have the Christmas movies, and oh my god, I love it. I love watching Christmas movies with like a cup of tea and just the fireplace and candles, to feel so cozy with like beautiful loungewear. It's like the best time to feel super cozy and feminine. Next, we have embrace nature and go for a walk. You can go for a walk and embrace nature, even if the weather is not necessarily super good. Your connection with nature is very important for your feminine energy. It's even important as a human being. You feel so much healthier when you go and you take the fresh air and you feel good and it calms you. Right now I'm taking the habit of going for a run in the park because I have a big, huge park in front of my house. So I go for a run and it just makes me feel so good because you're running in nature. And it's so much better than running inside at the country club with the machines. Next we have reevaluate your relationship. I don't know, because it's the change of the season, you know, it's like a new era, a new season. So it's the time to reevaluate the people in your life, and are the people in your life really feeling good and you really feel like you are blessed to have them? Or is there some people that you want to take a little bit of space away from? Sometimes you can be really stuck in relationships that can really change you, that make you feel bad. And I think this reset that I'm talking about, like right now, reset, routine, just reevaluating everything. Are those people really good for me? And at the same time, acknowledging the people that are really good for you and being in gratitude for them. Like being grateful for those people, being grateful for your family, being grateful for the people that treat you well. Next, we have eating well. And I always preach that. I always preach to have a good, healthy diet. Like reevaluate also your diet. Are you really eating good? Most people feel a little bit more lazy in the winter and don't move as much because obviously we don't go out of the house as much. I mean, in Europe we do walk a lot, but when it's really raining or it's the winter and it's really cold, you don't necessarily want to walk. And walking really is good for you. It's good for your body. It's good for your digestion. It helps you stay fit. But at the same time, you also need to really pay attention to your diet and what you're eating. And I really invite you to see my video about how I maintain my body. I will link it below. Because there I explain everything I eat and all the habits that I have to really keep a healthy body. Next, we have write a plan for your goals. Probably a lot of things that you want to achieve, and I think it's the time to write that down, to have a little reset. It's the change of the season. It's a new season, new time, new me. I know normally we do that with New Year's Eve, but I love doing that also with each season and asking myself, what do I want to accomplish? Because I think it's better to ask ourselves that multiple times a year rather than just one time a year. What plan do I want? What do I want? And then making a plan to achieve it. Do you want to start a business? Okay, making a plan to achieve it. Do you want to find a partner? Okay, making a plan to achieve it. Like being mindful like that of the things that you want, it is really going to help you manifest everything. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful darlings. I hope it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments down below, what are your routines for fall and even for winter? What do you do to make it more feminine, more fun? Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok. And I'm going to drink a lot of cup of tea, and until next time, I'm giving you a lot of beautiful kisses, my darlings. Mwah. Oh, it's delicious. Delightful, darling.